Hey, Sparrow here with another exclusive list from Aaron Taylor, the real estate guy team. Come on in, let's take a look at 992 Coat Bridge Street. Cute little townhome, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, located in Queensridge, right off of Fort Apache and Charleston. Look at this. High ceiling, nice little fireplace, right off the kitchen and off the dining room, kind of an all one-stop shop. You got your slider, got your nice little patio. You can relax, catch a sunrise, coffee, maybe a little wine at night. Peaceful. Come back into the house. Just kidding. Now we're going to go back into the house. Again, nice thing, everything's centrally located right here. It's your half bath right off the living room. This unit's 1,598 square feet. So it's not terribly small, it's good size. The nice thing about the bedrooms upstairs is they are both primaries in the aspect they both have the bathrooms attached to them, so nobody's sharing a bathroom upstairs. Obviously one room's better than the other. Let's check out the smaller of the two first. And it's not a small room, it's a good sized room, but has a full bath attached to it. Nice walk-in closet. We'll cruise over here to the primary. This one's a little bit bigger. Got nice double doors out to the patio. You got soaker tubs, shower, walk-in closet, bathroom, dual sinks. Nice little chandelier hanging there in the middle. Here's the nice spot right here. You got your own little balcony that overlooks the valley, looks at Queensridge, Queens Towers. That center right there is where Honey Salt is. You haven't had Honey Salt, man, you've got to stop in there and have breakfast there one day. Let's gonna take a stroll and head back downstairs. It's a nice, quiet little neighborhood. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the Las Vegas market, don't forget, I'm Sparrow. I'm your realtor. Have a wonderful